Hello and welcome to another technical analysis here at xm.com. Today we're looking at NZDUSD on the daily chart. So zooming in, we can see that Kiwi is tracing the lower Bollinger Band and is just shy of retesting the 16-month low of 0.6528, which is the upper border of the critical 0.6487 to 0.6528 foundation, molded by the troughs over the mid July until end of September 2020 period, as we can see over here. Now, the rolling over of the 50-day simple moving average is hinting that downward pressures are strengthening, while the longer-term 100 and 200-day SMAs continue to sponsor a bearish trend. Presently, the short-term oscillators are skewed to the downside, reflecting that sellers are in command. The MACD is south of its zero threshold and is suggesting that negative momentum is strengthening, while the RSI has slid into oversold territory, but currently is showing an uptick in buying pressures. Meanwhile, the stochastic oscillator, which is also in oversold territory, is signaling that buyers are pushing back, but it's not that convincing, and it shows that they have yet to overpower the prevailing negative tone in the pair. Now, in the negative scenario, downside limitations could commence from the lower Bollinger Band at 0.6545 prior to the 0.6487 to 0.6528 tough boundary, as we mentioned before. Downside risks are likely to increase in the event that sellers defeat this crucial base, which may then result in the bears aiming for the 0.6342 to 0.6380 support barricade that stretches back to early March 2020, as we can see over here. Now, diving below the latter obstacle, this one over here, which includes the lows from the second half of June 2020. The pair could then steer for the 0.6239 mark before the door opens for a test of the 0.6167 support border, as we can see over here. Now, otherwise, if buyers retake control and drive the price over the 0.66 handle, nearby resistance could transpire from the 0.6629 to 0.6665 zone, which was previously support and now a resistance zone. If buying interest strengthens further, the 0.6714 inside swing low may try to delay buyers from taking a crack at the resistance section between the 100-day and 50-day SMAs at 0.6767 and 0.6812 respectively. Now, successfully conquering these averages and this zone, the pair could then challenge the 0.6862 until 0.69 resistance section, which encapsulates the 200-day SMA as well. Summarizing, NZDUSD is exhibiting a neutral to bearish bias below the 0.6714 low and the SMAs. A break below the 0.6487 to 0.6528 zone could bolster the downward trajectory, while a climb in the price north of the 0.7033 high may reinforce belief in a positive outlook. That's it from me. Have a great trading day.